Injury prevention is a critical aspect of sports that can significantly impact athletes' performance and longevity in their respective fields. Injuries can not only sideline players for weeks or even months, but can also alter their careers and affect their overall health. Therefore, implementing effective injury prevention strategies is essential for athletes of all levels, from amateurs to professionals. One of the most effective injury prevention strategies is proper warm-up and cool-down routines. A comprehensive warm-up is crucial as it prepares the body for the physical demands of sports by increasing blood flow to muscles and enhancing flexibility. Dynamic stretching, which involves controlled movements that increase heart rate, is recommended before engaging in an activity. Cooling down, on the other hand, should focus on static stretching to help reduce muscle soreness and stiffness after intense exercise. By incorporating these routines, athletes can minimize the risk of strains and sprains. Another key strategy is strength training, which plays a significant role in injury prevention. Strengthening the muscles surrounding joints provides better support and stability during physical activity. Targeted strength training can enhance an athlete's performance while reducing the likelihood of injuries related to muscle imbalance and weakness. It is essential for athletes to work with coaches or trainers to develop personalized strength training programs that prioritize their specific sport and individual needs. In addition to physical preparation, education on proper technique and safety measures cannot be overlooked. Many injuries occur due to incorrect practices or techniques during sports activities. Coaches and athletes should prioritize learning the fundamental skills required for their sport, focusing on techniques that promote safety and efficiency. Furthermore, understanding rules and safety guidelines can help athletes protect themselves and their teammates from injuries during competitions and practices. Lastly, proper equipment and protective gear are vital components of injury prevention in sports. Each sport has specific gear designed to protect athletes from injuries, such as helmets, pads, and appropriate footwear. Athletes must ensure that they are using the right equipment for their sport and that it fits well. Regular inspections of equipment for wear and tear are crucial in maintaining safety standards, as faulty gear can increase the risk of accidents and injuries. In conclusion, injury prevention in sports requires a multifaceted approach that includes proper warm-up and cool-down routines, strength training, education on technique and safety, and the use of appropriate equipment. By prioritizing these strategies, athletes can safeguard their health, enhance their performance, and enjoy their sports for years to come. Remember, prevention today means healthier athletes tomorrow.